Compressor World here. Today we're going to show you just a couple of basic things that you do during a major PM. Over here we have a QGS 25. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a major PM on the whole unit. First thing we do is we lock and tag out the machine. As you can see, we got a proper lock on the electrical here. Discharge valve is closed. So now what we're going to do, we already took the cabinet apart. We're going to start cleaning everything. We'll start going through and changing out the components that you change out during a major PM. One of which is your oil filter. Another one, separator. Over here you have your air filter. This just spins, pops out. You can see this one is quite dirty. Okay, put that up here. Another important thing to remember during your PMs, whether you're just coming in to doing an inspection, a minor PM or a major PM, is cleaning your filter mats and also blowing out your cooler, okay? Because that is going to dictate whether your machine overheats or not during the warm weather. So I'll put this aside. Also, if we come around here, what we're going to do is we're going to change the drive belts today. All that is a couple of adjustment bolts on the top here. You're going to loosen a couple bolts up front here, and we'll use the adjustment bolts to lower the air end down, pull the belts off, and when we tension them, we'll adjust these so it raises the air end up, and we'll secure the locking bolts on the inside here. Another thing to remember is your scavenge line. Right here, it takes your oil out of your separator and it puts it back into the air end. What we do is we want to make sure that that's all blowed out and make sure that that's clean, otherwise your separator will fill up with oil and essentially it'll get clogged and push oil downstream. And that's a lot of the reasons why you come in after a maintenance, you come in and all of a sudden your oil level is low. You want to check the scavenge line because chances are that was not cleaned properly. So what we'll do today is we'll go ahead, we'll go through, we'll change everything, and then we'll come back a little later on, we'll show you how everything's supposed to run.